Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the core systems to represent: traffic flow, energy meters, water quality, waste bins, and public safety. Choose sensor types and a simple network, microcontroller nodes to collect data, local gateways to aggregate, and a 1/2U server for processing. Once done, map the physical layout so data paths are short and reliable. Make sure to factor in power and mounting. This avoids redesign later and gets you collecting useful telemetry immediately. You now wire the network and deploy the data stack so information flows and becomes actionable. Flash nodes, register each device with unique credentials, and configure gateways to forward MQTT or co-AP payloads to a local broker. Once the broker is receiving data, ingest into a time series database and run lightweight analytics to compute KPIs like occupancy or energy per square meter. Make sure to segment traffic and enable TLS so you finalize by creating dashboards and automations that showcase value. Map live traffic, flag leaks, trigger lights. Demo routines and collect operator feedback to prioritize refinements. Once done, calibrate sensors and tune alert thresholds against manually measured ground truth so false positives drop. If something breaks, start troubleshooting by checking power, network connectivity, and logs. These reveal most failures quickly. Make sure to iterate configuration and document changes so your working model remains stable and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.